As a mathematician myself, it probably comes as no surprise that I love solving puzzles. And today, the UK's intelligence agency, GCHQ, have actually sent me 7 different puzzles to solve. So let's see if we can solve one together. These problems make up the GCHQ Christmas Challenge, which launched today, a fun and free challenge filled with puzzles that anybody can get involved in. This is one of the questions. So we have that each letter represents a number from 0 to 9, and no two letters have the same number. So let's take the first equation, which says that UV plus UV plus V equals VAR. We know that VAR, this has got to either be a 3-digit number or a 2-digit number if V were to equal 0. But if we were to take that V equaled 0, then what we'd end up with is we'd have U0, where U is some number, plus U0 plus 0 equals AR. But then if we look at what we're adding in the last place, we have 0 plus 0 plus 0. This, of course, equals 0. And so this means the last digit on the right-hand side must equal 0. But we've just said that no two letters are allowed to have the same number. So here we would have that V equals 0 and R equals 0, which we know can't hold. So this case fails. Okay, so we know that it's a 3-digit number, but what is the maximum that we could possibly get from this right-hand side? Well, if we were to take U equals 9, the largest possible number for a letter, we'd then end up with this equation here, 9V plus 9V plus V equals VAR. Okay, so if we then take the next largest number for V, we'd take 8. We'd then get 98 plus 98 plus 8 on the left-hand side. Well, this is just an equation of numbers, so we can add this up. And on the right-hand side, this would equal 204. But we set V equal to 8 on the left-hand side, and here on the right-hand side, we're saying that V must equal 2. So this cannot hold because they're not the same number. Then what does that leave the right-hand side to be? It has to be in the hundreds. And we know that because for any combination of numbers, it will always be less than 204, which was our maximum. So what can we deduce from this? Well, we've just said that this VAR has got to be a 3-digit number in the hundreds. So what does that leave V to equal? If you guess V equals 1, then you'd be correct. Now see if you can solve for the rest of the letters and put your answers in the comments, making sure to show your full workings. And if you want to tackle the GCHQ Christmas Challenge for yourself this year, then comment maths on this video and I'll send you all of the puzzles.